H2O Wireless offers prepaid plans without contracts, making cancellations straightforward. To cancel, you'll primarily want to stop autopay to prevent future charges, understand how proration works for refunds on unused service, and know your options for keeping your phone number. As of September 2025, H2O Wireless allows you to manage cancellations through their mobile app or website. You can also call customer service at 1-888-993-4679. Aim for non-peak hours to minimize wait times if calling. The average resolution time via phone is about 5 to 10 minutes. First, disable autopay by logging into the H2O app or website and toggling off auto renewal in the billing section. This stops future charges. H2O Wireless prorates charges, refunding you for any unused days in your billing cycle, typically processed within 3 to 5 business days via your original payment method, though activation fees are non-refundable. If you want to keep your number, request a port-out authorization code during cancellation and transfer it to your new carrier within 30 days. Porting is free and usually takes 1 to 3 days. You'll need to provide account verification details, such as the last 4 digits of your SSN or account PIN, to prevent fraud. Remember, since H2O Wireless operates on Verizon's network, number porting is a standard and supported process.